Today we are carrying on with our outdoor kitchen and lounge build. For the last few weeks we've been busy with the roof. This took some time working with 6-meter gum poles and adding all the zinc sheets so that it's fully waterproof. The next project was our deck, which was very satisfying to do, but it took quite a few days. And today we're going to be starting with adding the walls. We're doing 2 walls over here, so it'll be semi-indoor outdoor. We need to add the zinc sheets, so let's get to work. Here you can see we've already started on the framing. This was a couple of days ago, just so that we could figure out the process. Got 2 of our main walls up, but unfortunately the time lapse didn't work and we didn't realize while we were busy building. The first wall was a bit easier than the second one since we added the window in the second one, but that was such a good call. I love looking out and seeing all the flowers. I think it's going to be really nice for the kitchen, also adding some more light. Over here we've just moved our grape. It was over there, but we're planning to build a brick fireplace there. We also started on our second wall over here, but we ran out of supplies, which seems to happen on the regular, so we're just going to wait for some more on that, but we'll see what we can get up to in the meantime. The rainbow is rather distracting, but it's time to start with our fireplace. We've got 75 bricks over here, and we're going to be trying to do a dry stack fireplace. We've never done this before, so let's see how it goes.
Good morning everyone, we're back at the fireplace. The rain came through yesterday evening, so we just finished this off and now we're back at it. This is how it's looking at the moment. We're kind of happy with the look. We might change up the chimney pot a little bit, and then we also need to get another extension to go through the roof. But for now we need to take it all apart again and then start again from the bottom. We're going to be using like a Sikaflex to keep the blocks joined. They're just dry stacked at the moment, but they are very sturdy. Like I'm pushing as hard as I can and it's not moving. So we just want to take it all apart and then put some Sikaflex in between, and then that will just keep it sturdy for a longer period.